Hi, welcome to Hard Reset Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Xiaomi device, I have Xiaomi 13T Pro, and now I'm gonna show you how to improve battery life on the smartphone. So firstly, you need to open the control panel and disable all features you don't need. So all necessary features. If you're using both type of networks, disable one of them, reduce screen brightness, disable Bluetooth if you don't need it right now, disable the nearby share, Mi share, hotspot, and of course disable location services because they're consuming a lot of battery power. Then open settings. In settings, scroll down, find display. In display, enable the dark mode because you have LED screen, and LED screen consumes battery power only in the places when you see something, because in the black places screen is just disabled because micro LED lamps can't create black color. They're just disabled in the black places. Cool. Scroll down, find the battery. Here in the battery you need to find the safe battery and click OK. In safe battery mode you can save your battery. And of course you can enable ultra battery, say where in this mode your smartphone can live several days. So wait a while. Cool. Now I have as you can see, my smartphone will live 1 day, so 23 hours, and I have just only 28%. So if you have 100%, your smartphone in this mode will live several days, and it's really great. Of course, it creates in your smartphone brick when you have only 6 applications to use. But if you are in adventure right now and you need battery performance, not the processor, so I think it's a good choice for you. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video and bye. See you.